Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about the truth about an health savings account. Let's get to the video. When it comes to personal finance and healthcare planning, health saving accounts, HSAs, are often overlooked despite being one of the most powerful tools available. Many people either misunderstand their purpose or underutilize their benefits. In this video, I will explore the truth about HSAs, how they work, their advantages and limitations, and how to maximize their potential to benefit your financial and physical well-being. What is a health saving account? HSA. A health saving account is a tax advantage saving account designed to help individuals save for medical expenses. HSAs are only available to those enrolled in a high deductible health plan, which typically offers lower monthly premiums but higher deductibles. Funds contributed to an HSA are not subject to federal income tax at the time of deposit. These funds can be used to pay for qualified medical expenses at any time without federal tax liability. Triple tax advantage. One of the most compelling aspects of HSAs is their triple tax advantage. Tax-deductible contributions. Money contributed to an HSA is tax-deductible, reducing your taxable income for the year. Tax-free growth. Any interest or investments earning within the HSA grow tax-free. Tax-free withdrawals. Withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are tax-free. This trifecta makes HSA a unique, effective tool for both short-term healthcare spending and long-term retirement planning. Eligibility requirements. To qualify for an HSA, you must be enrolled in a high deductible health plan, not be covered by another health plan that is not an HDHP, not be enrolled in Medicare, not be claimed as a dependent on someone else's tax return. Contribution limits. As of 2024, the annual contribution limit for HSAs are 4,150 for individuals, 8,300 for families. An additional 1,000 catch-up contribution is allowed for individuals aged 55 and older. This contribution can be made by the individuals, the employer, or both, but the total contributions cannot exceed the annual limits. Qualified medical expenses. Funds from an HSA can be used to pay for a wide range of medical expenses, including doctor visits, prescription medications, vision and dental care, mental health services, medical equipment. It's essential to keep receipts and documentation for all withdrawals in case of an IRS audit. Flexibility and probability. Unlike flexible spending account, HSAs are not use it or lose it. Unused funds roll over year to year and continue to grow. Furthermore, HSAs are owned by the individual, not the employer. This means you can take your HSA with you if you change jobs or retire. Investment opportunities. Once your HSA reaches a certain threshold, often around 1,000 or 2,000 depending on the provider, you can invest the funds in mutual funds, stocks, or bonds. This feature turns your HSA into a powerful investment vehicle that can serve as a secondary retirement account. HSA versus traditional retirement account. While HSAs are primarily intended for healthcare costs, their tax advantage often makes them superior to traditional retirement accounts in some aspects. For example, HSAs are not subject to required minimum distribution. They can be used from non-medical expenses after age 65 with regular income tax applied, similar to a traditional IRA. They provide a way to pay for health care in retirement, which is significant and often underestimated expenses. Common misconceptions. HSA are only for the wealthy. This is false. Anyone with a high deductible health plan can open and benefit from an HSA. In fact, those with a higher out of pocket expenses may benefit more from the tax savings. The second thing is you lose your money if you do not use it. Unlike FSA, HSAs do not have a use it or lose it provision. Funds roll over and can be used in the future. The third thing is HSAs are too complicated. While there is a learning curve, managing an HSA is relatively straightforward. Most providers offer user-friendly platforms to manage contributions, investments, and withdrawals. Strategic uses for HSA: emergency medical fund. Keep funds in cash for short-term medical needs. Investment growth. Invest contributions for long-term tax-free growth. Retirement planning. Save receipts and delay reimbursement to use HSA funds later in retirement. Bridging the Medicare gap. Use HSA funds to cover out-of-pocket healthcare costs before Medicare kicks in. Limitation and consideration. While HSAs offer many advantages, there are some limitations. Must be paired with an high deductible health plan, which may not be suitable for everyone. Penalty up to 20% for non-qualified withdrawals before age 65. Contribution limits may be too low for some to fully fund future medical needs. Additionally, investment options and fees vary by provider, so it's important to choose your HSA provider wisely. In conclusion, a health saving account is more than just a tool for paying medical bills. When used strategically, it becomes a cornerstone of a smart financial plan. From the triple tax advantage to investment growth potential, HSAs can serve immediate healthcare needs while also providing long-term financial security. Whether you are young and healthy or approaching retirement, understanding the truth about HSA can help you to take control of your healthcare and financial future. Evaluate your health plan options, consult a financial advisor if needed, and start leveraging your HSA to its full potential today. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.